Hi guys, here we are again with the answers to the listening parts 4 and 5 of Movers Test 1. We'll be checking the answers, listening to the relevant parts in the recording.
1. How does Jack go to school?
How do you go to school, Jack? Do you go by bus?
No, I go by train.
Right. And you walk to the station?
Well, no, I take my bike to be quick.
That's good.
So, as you heard, the question was, do you go by bus? He said, no, I go by train. And we have two pictures with trains here. Uh, the next part of the question was, and then do you walk? But the answer was no, I take my bike to be quick. For number 2 now.
What did Sally do at the weekend?
Did you have a nice weekend, Sally?
Yes, I went out with my friend.
Did you go to the shops?
No, we went to a cafe.
Oh, did you enjoy your lunch?
Well, we only had a drink, but we enjoyed it.
So here, Sally said that she didn't go to the shops, but she went out to a cafe. And the question was, did you have lunch? But she said that they only had a drink. Let's continue with number 3.
3. Which book does Mary want to find?
Can I help you?
Yes, I need a book. It's called Cold Mountain.
Cold Mountain. Oh, yes. It's there. Can you see it?
No. Has it got a picture of a mountain on it?
No, it's a forest, and there's a man and 2 women in the picture.
Oh, I see it. Thanks.
So the picture doesn't have a mountain. It has a forest, so we can see that 2 books have a forest, okay? But this one is the right one because it shows a man with 2 women, while here we have a man with just 1 woman. So C is the right answer. Number 4.
4. What can Peter see from his window?
So, how's your new house, Peter?
Great! And I can see the river from my window.
And the trees?
Well, no, the village shops. But there is a waterfall, and that's nice.
So here Peter can see a river from his window. The river exists in all 3 pictures here. And he sees the shops, which are in A and C. But there is another difference between this and this picture. And this difference is the waterfall that he can see here. So C is the right answer. Let's move on to number 5 now.
Where does Jane want to go?
Shall we go to the park today, Jane?
The park? But it's raining. It's wet.
I want to go to the cinema. Oh, not the cinema again. How about the supermarket? There are some things I need to buy.
The supermarket?
You always want to go there.
Here, Jane clearly states that she wants to go to the cinema and not to the park or the supermarket where her mother wants to go. Let's now move on to part 5. Here you had to color and you had to write a few things. You can take a look at the picture and what it should look like. Check your own answers. and your own coloring. And now let's see why this is the way that the picture should look.
Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Paul. Do you like this picture?
Yes. Shall I colour it?
Okay. Can you see the two trees?
Yes. One's bigger than the other.
Yes. Well, colour the leaves on the little tree green.
Okay.
So as you can see here, we have a big tree and a small tree. So the little one is the one that you must color.
Okay.
Can you see the green leaves? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and write.
Now, there are two giraffes in the picture.
Yes. I really like the baby one.
Okay. Well, can you colour its head?
Yes. What colour shall I do it?
Do it orange.
Okay then.
So he had to color the head of the baby giraffe orange. Okay, let's continue.
Two.
Now, can you see some little fish, Paul?
Yes. There are two small fish near some water.
That's right.
Can I colour the one that's above the water?
Yes. Colour that one purple.
I like that colour.
So two fish, water, the one above the water, and purple. Let's continue.
Three.
Now, I'd like you to write something.
Okay. But what shall I write?
Well, can you see the box under the rainbow?
Yes.
Well, there's a space for writing a word in that box. Can you write the word island there?
Okay. I'm writing island in that box.
So island, for the island as you can see here. Let's go on.
Four.
Can you see some people in the picture?
Yes, I can.
Can you colour the woman's hat?
Okay. Can I do it red?
Yes, that's a good colour. Do that.
So the woman's hat, red. And finally,
Five.
Oh, I like that dolphin.
Which dolphin?
The smaller one. Can I colour it?
Yes, colour it blue.
Okay, I'm doing that.
That's a great picture now, Paul.
so he likes the small one, the smaller dolphin, and he colors the smaller dolphin blue. So that was the end of the test, and these were the answers to all these questions. I hope you liked it, and bye for now.